Hi guys, this is Sue again. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace leaf. This video is dedicated to you. So let's see together. Start the slip knot and chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Skip first chain and make 2 single crochets in next 2 chains. Make 3 half double crochets in next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 double crochets in next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 half double crochets in next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Make 2 single crochets in next 2 chains. 1 and 2. Make a slip stitch in last chain. Chain 1. Make a slip stitch again in same chain. Make 2 single crochets in next 2 chains. 1 and 2. Make 3 half double crochets in next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 double crochets in next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 half double crochets in next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Make 2 single crochets in next 2 chains. 1 and 2. Make a slip stitch on top. Okay, make a slip stitch. Make a single crochet in same stitch, back loop only. Make a single crochet in each stitch, back loop only. Make a single crochet, make a single crochet all around the leaf. Crochet the other side of the leaf with single crochets. At the end, make a slip stitch. chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chains, yarn over twice, skip next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and make a triple crochet in third stitch, back loop only, chain 5, and skip next 2 stitches and make a double crochet in third stitch, back loop only, chain 3, and make a half double crochet in third chain, chain 3, 1 2 3 chains, and make a single crochet in third stitch, chain 3, skip next 2 stitches and make a single crochet on top of the leaf, chain 3, and make a single crochet again in same stitch, chain 3, 1 2 3 chains, skip next 2 stitches and make a single crochet in third stitch, chain 3, skip next 2 stitches and make a half double crochet in third stitch, chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, and make a double crochet in third stitch, chain 5, and make a triple crochet in third stitch, chain, chain 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chains, and make a slip stitch in first stitch, make 11 single crochets in first space, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11, make 8 single crochets in next space, and 8, make 5 single crochets in next space, 1 2 3 4 and 5, make 5 single crochets in next space, 3 4 and 5, make 4 single crochets in next space, 3 and 4, make 2 single crochets on top, 1 and 2, chain 2, and make 2 single crochets again in same space, make 4 single crochets in next space, 3 and 4, make 5 single crochets in next space, 2 3 4 and 5, make 5 single crochets in next space, 1 2 3 4 and 5, make 8 single crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, make 11 single crochets in last space, 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip first chain and make a slip stitch in next chain. Make a single crochet in each chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One, 2, 3. This crochet back loop only. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 single crochets. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip first chain and make 4 single crochets in next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You will see a loops on your leaf. Make a single crochet in each loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please crochet single crochets, back loop only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1 chain and make 4 single crochets in next 4 chains. 3 and 4. you will see these loops. Please crochet single crochets in these loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Make a slip stitch in next loop. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. We hope you loved this video. Talk to you later.